Hindi nila pinaghirapan, ang dali nilang ipagyabang. Yun yung nakita natin paulit-ulit, hindi ba?
And that's the reason why they stopped doing lifestyle checks. Because ma-obvious at mahalata naman. Kung bumili ka ng Ferrari, alangan naman hindi mo ilalabas sa bahay mo. Diba? Kung bumili ka ng 10 milyon na relo, hindi mo isusuot? No way. And that's why galit na galit ako noon nung nagsimula yun. Bakit walang lifestyle check?
Bakit nga? Anong sagot?
You have to ask the people who occupied the ombudsman position. The last ombudswoman I recall who did lifestyle checks was Justice Conchita Morales. Mula noon, wala na akong naalalang nagko-conduct ng lifestyle check. But yet, that is such a big deterrent.
Congressman Diokno, you mentioned lawmakers, you mentioned the judiciary, now you mentioned Sandigan Bayan, you're mentioning the ombudsman. Kung bawat ahensyang binanggit natin po ngayon lang, parang merong pagkukulang, merong pagkukubli. Kanino pa maniniwala ang taong bayan?